Hi, everyone, and welcome back to English Talk Show. My name is Emma, and today we're going to learn about 5 widely used phrasal verbs. But first, what exactly are phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs are verbs combined with little words like up, off, into, or after. When you put them together, the meaning often changes completely. They're super important because native speakers use them all the time in daily conversation. If you understand and use them, your English will sound much more natural and fluent. So today we'll go through 5 useful phrasal verbs with clear examples, and then we'll practice them together. Feel free to take notes if you'd like. It will really help you remember them better. All right, let's dive in. Our first phrasal verb is come across. Come across. This means to find something by chance. Let's look at some examples.
Example 1. Yesterday, I came across an old photo album while cleaning my room. Example 2. While browsing online, I came across a really interesting article. Example 3. She came across as very confident in the interview.
The second phrasal verb is look after. Look after. This means to take care of someone or something.
Example 1. Can you look after my dog while I'm away? Example 2. Teachers look after their students during the school trip. Example 3. She's very good at looking after children.
Our third phrasal verb is run into. Run into. It means to meet someone unexpectedly or sometimes to face a difficulty.
Example 1. I ran into an old friend at the supermarket. Example 2. We ran into traffic on the way to work. Example 3. He often runs into problems when fixing his car.
The fourth phrasal verb is give up. Give up. It means to stop trying or to quit something.
Example 1. Don't give up on your dreams. Example 2. He gave up smoking last year. Example 3. She tried to learn the piano, but she gave up too soon.
And our fifth phrasal verb for today is put off. Put off. It means to postpone or delay something.
Example 1. They had to put off the meeting until next week. Example 2. Stop putting off your homework. Just do it now. Example 3. The bad weather put us off going to the beach.
So, those are the 5 phrasal verbs for today. Let's quickly go over them again.
Come across. Look after. Run into. Give up. Put off.
Great! Now let's practice them together. Here's how it works. I'll read out a sentence with a blank space. Your job is to choose the correct phrasal verb to complete the sentence. You'll have 5 seconds to think, and then the answer will appear on the screen. Ready? Let's go. Question 1. Yesterday I blank. An old friend at the bookstore.
ran into,
Question 2. Can you please blank my plants while I'm on holiday?
look after,
Question 3. She decided to blank learning French because it was too difficult.
give up,
Question 4. I blank a really good documentary while browsing Netflix.
came across,
Question 5. They had to blank the wedding because of heavy rain.
put off.
All right, everyone. I hope today's lesson helped you understand and remember these 5 phrasal verbs more effectively. If you review them regularly, you'll never forget them. Here's a quick learning tip. Whenever you have a few free minutes, maybe 5 or 10 minutes during the day or while you're traveling on public transport, use that time to recall what you've learned. Try to create your own sentences using today's phrasal verbs. This simple practice will strengthen your memory and make these expressions a natural part of your English. That's it for today's lesson. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time on English Talk Show. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. Bye for now.